Okay, hello everybody. Zachary Fruhling here, aka Cozy Azeroth, with another program from this book I used to like when I was a kid, 101 Programming Tips and Tricks for the Texas Instruments TI-99 4A home computer. This program is number 34, Alphabet Soup. We're going to read the program description, get into the classic 99 emulator, which emulates a Texas Instruments TI-99 4A, get into TI Basic, type the program in, run it, and see what we can make it do, see what we can learn from it. Okay, 34, Alphabet Soup. Sure, everybody knows there are 26 letters in the alphabet, but do you know which letter is number 20, number 5, number 17? Well, your computer knows. Type in this short ready-to-run program, run it, the computer will spit out number and letter combinations all day long. The number on the left is the number on the left is the position in the alphabet of the letter on the right. It's a fun way to demonstrate to your friends just how, quote, smart the computer is. Okay, so it's a very short program. So let's get busy typing this one in. Get into TI Basic here. 10 call clear. I like these fun little short programs. You know, it's amazing how much fun you can have with short little programs in TI Basic. 20 randomize. That ensures we get a fresh combination of numbers probably numbers and letters here every time the program is run. Okay, 30, p equals int, integer, of 91 times rnd. Okay, 40. If p is less than, what, 65? Yep, 65. Then 30. Setting some boundary conditions on that random number. 50, okay. X string equals character of p. So chr string p. Let's double check, make sure we got that right. Yep. 60 print p minus 64. The reason that's there is, you know, the characters are being generated by their ASCII number, which is not the same as their position in the alphabet. So we're just correcting for that here. That's what's happening in that line. And comma x string. And 70 go to 30. Okay, so we should just get a string of random letters and their position in the alphabet. Ad infinitum until we cancel the program. Okay, break the program, I mean. Okay, let's run it. Okay, here we go. That is all this program does, and let's make sure we don't have any errors. So let's just double check it. So right here, for example, we have 3 and we have C, and that looks correct. 4 is D. Yep, looks pretty good. 24 is X. Yep, looks perfect. So let's clear the screen and let's list the program out. It's going to be a short video. It's a short program. Let's run it. And sure enough, different combination of letters and numbers. Let's just get a screenshot here. Some for the YouTube thumbnail after the fact. Getting a few different screenshots. Alright. Very short program, but it's amazing what you can do with only a few lines of code in BASIC, you know. I'm continually fascinated by this particular version of BASIC. I'm going to end the program. And that is all she wrote for number 34, Alphabet Soup, from 101 Programming Tips and Tricks for the Texas Instruments TI-99 4A home computer. If you are watching this after the fact on YouTube, be sure to check out the rest of my YouTube channel. You can find it under Cozy Azeroth, my Twitch handle, or my real name, Zachary Fruhling, for lots more TI-99 4A content, retro programming, retro gaming, lots of World of Warcraft live streaming these days, and miscellaneous educational content on topics of interest to me, both professionally and personally. If you're watching this on Twitch Live, I see a couple people are. Be sure to check out my YouTube channel, like I just mentioned, and follow me in the other platforms. If you're on YouTube, check out my Twitch channel for live streams. If you're on Twitch, check out my YouTube channel. In any case, I appreciate likes and subscriptions. The subscriptions in particular really help me out in these difficult times. Hope you're enjoying this series of 101 programming tips and tricks for the TI-99 4A home computer, based on a book by Len Turner, credit where credit's due. And I'll be back very soon with program number 35, which, looking ahead, is going to be, got a sample run here, going to be create a table. So I'll be back in a few minutes on Twitch with that, and be sure to check out the rest of the videos in this series on my YouTube channel if you're watching this on YouTube. Thank you very much, and I'll catch everyone in a few minutes. Take care.